Hello everyone, welcome to the Medium Alp channel, friends. Today I will teach you such a ritual that you will be amazed. You will make the person you want madly in love with you, and they won't be able to breathe without you. Dear friends, this ritual is guaranteed to work. However, you must watch the video carefully until the end and correctly apply the steps I have explained to you. Therefore, you should watch our video with full attention until the end. What is this ritual, dear friends? First of all, you constantly ask me a question in the comments. This question is, teacher, are these processes magic? You have questions like the symbols here look like magic. I have never shared and do not share any magic for you on my channel. All of the work we do is related to rituals and air purification, dear friends. I usually share talisman or summoning processes. Therefore, you can be at ease. Let's start our process by saying it is definitely not magic and explain to you how it is done. Dear friends, I want to talk about the situations where this ritual is effective. The love ritual is effective in certain situations. In other words, here are some situations where this ritual is effective, strengthening love bonds and even repairing fractures in relationships. You will attract attention and at the same time maintain your connection even if there is a long distance. You will also experience a deepening in your relationships. It makes an existing relationship deeper and more meaningful and is an effective method. This ritual can yield different results depending on the person's intention and method of practice. What should be considered before starting our ritual? Here are some important points to consider when performing the love ritual, dear friends. Intention. Before starting the ritual, you should clearly set your intention and make sure to be in a state of ablution. You can perform it on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or any day after the night prayer. You must draw our talisman correctly as I have shown you. There should be no excess or deficiency. And it is necessary to carry or seal this talisman, dear friends. Be informed because in this way you are sealing your relationship bond for a lifetime. So what are the expected results from this love ritual? Actually, this is the part that catches your interest. Dear friends, after the love ritual is performed, the results usually start to appear within 3 days. And it is so effective that it starts quickly. The initial signs, dear friends, start within 3 days. The developing feelings towards you increase, and there is a constant urge to think about you and communicate more. The increase in sincerity will become evident during this period anyway. The results vary depending on the person's intention and the correct application of the ritual during this time. However, if you apply it as I say, I guarantee you definite results. If you wish, let me now explain to you how the love ritual is performed step by step. Because you have gained enough information about this ritual, now you need to listen to me carefully. Are we ready? Yes. After making our intention with great energy, dear friends, you place your hand and draw a figure in this way. After drawing, you start from the right and fill in the symbols inside carefully. So be aware that there should be no mistakes, excesses, or deficiencies. And during this time, you must remain constantly positive. You will not lose your faith in any way. This is our second rule. After drawing our talisman, we make our second intention, dear friends. Whatever we intended at the beginning, this time we place our hand on the talisman we drew and realize our intention in this way. And the most important stage is the sealing stage, dear friends. If you don't do this, nothing you have done up to this stage will work. Our final stage is to fold this talisman and keep it in a high place. If you can't do this, I recommend burning it after folding, dear friends. The most effective sealing is done by burning, just so you know. Under normal circumstances, you can also keep it in a high place. After completing the final stage, would you like me to tell you a bit about what will happen? The effects that will start on the first day are as follows. Increase in love and interest. Strengthening of bonds, ease in communication, and the development of positive emotions. I also mentioned the deepening of the relationship. For example, if you have a 1-year relationship, it will actually feel like a 10-year relationship to both you and them. If you listened carefully to what I said, dear friends, be assured of getting definite results. Don't hesitate to ask me in the comments about the parts you didn't understand. I read all your comments one by one and try to respond. I truly thank you for your nice comments, dear friends. Meanwhile, our family is on its way to reaching 10,000 people. I truly thank you all for giving me this support. We are very close to reaching 10,000 subscribers and becoming a family of 10,000 people. This is your success, dear friends. I believe in your energy and your strength. More rituals and charms will be shared on our channel. Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. May everything be as you wish. Goodbye.